Predator 3500 inverter generator does not want to start. YouTube experts say there's a part right down the side of there that you change, some type of ignition module. So we're gonna open it up and change it out. And the way you open it, there's 3 screws on the bottom, 2 screws up here on the top, 3 on the back, 1 in the front. We'll get them off and we'll be back. Got all the screws off, the wheel off, the cover off. And then we have 1 Phillips screw, a wire plug right there, and a couple of wires plugged right there. We're going to take that off and put the new one and see what happens. Alright, got that new one back in place, everything plugged up. We're going to see if it starts. Fire it right up. Put it back together and get it back on the houseboat. We're ready to go again, guys. The 3500 was a quick, fast, and easy fix. This one, on the other hand, I'm struggling with it. Eventually, I'm going to get it figured out. So far, I done bypassed the low oil sensor, changed the oil, bypassed the CO sensor. I just can't figure out what's happening when it just don't want to start, or they're popping. That's it. This is the port you need for your 3500 inverter generator when it don't want to start. There's your port number, and it's sell for about $30 on Amazon. Good luck, guys. Thank you for watching.